Python's current power in tech.
Python is one of the world's most popular programming languages. Its easy-to-read syntax, vast libraries, and active community make it ideal for beginners, professionals, and organizations alike. From web development to artificial intelligence, Python empowers millions of projects, dominating areas like data analysis and machine learning.
Factors supporting Python's future.
Several trends suggest Python will stay relevant. Its role in fast-growing fields, like AI and data science, support continued adoption. The language is taught widely in schools and universities, which builds a strong pipeline of future talent. Its cross-platform usability and constant updates keep it effective for evolving technologies.
Potential threats to Python's dominance.
Despite its strengths, Python faces challenges. Performance limitations can be a hurdle for speed-critical applications. Newer languages, such as Julia, Go, and Rust, are attracting attention for specialized uses. The tech industry's rapid evolution means that user needs and preferred tools can shift over time.
Adapting to industry changes.
The Python community has made ongoing improvements in speed, packaging, and compatibility. Projects like PyPy, which speeds up execution, and frameworks for mobile and web development help Python stay competitive. Its adaptability and open-source ecosystem allow the language to incorporate new ideas and respond to industry demands.
Will Python remain relevant?
Python's strengths in simplicity, community, and real-world utility are significant advantages. While competition and new technologies will continue to emerge, Python's versatility and momentum make it likely to remain important for years to come. For aspiring developers, learning Python is still a valuable and future-proof choice.